and thank you for joining us today. I'll be going through the bulk ordering tool using a demo account with demo inventory and pricing. Now, it is important to remember on your live accounts, you will have live pricing and inventory counts. First off, there are multiple ways to navigate to the ordering tools. First, under the My Account icon in the top right-hand corner, right here, select the icon and from the drop-down menu, select Pick Your Order Tool button. Once you select that button, it'll bring you to this page that displays all of the options of ordering tools for you to use. If you scroll down, you can see the bulk ordering tool is right here. And you can click here to select it. Now, you can also navigate to it if you're on one of these pages by navigating to the left navigation bar and simply select bulk order. That'll bring you directly to this page. The bulk order tool is designed for you to be able to take your orders from your system from an Excel or a CSV file and then simply copy and paste those numbers into the bulk ordering tool to expedite the process. To show this process, I have already prepared an Excel spreadsheet with part numbers. These part numbers you take from Excel, so simply highlight, copy, and go back into the bulk ordering tool and paste the items. Note, you can order by Packard part number or your part number. Contact a Packard representative to have your numbers loaded into our system. Keep in mind the item IDs must be separated by a tab or a comma. So it is important to separate these numbers by a comma or a tab. Once the items are posted in the correct format, click Continue. Your items will be automatically added to your cart and then simply check out and complete your order. Thank you for watching and make sure to check out other how-to videos from Packard.